How to edit transaction on Spendee? Are you guys facing issues to edit transaction on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for wallet. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on your wallet username. As soon as you click on it, tap on the income or expenses that you want to edit the transaction of. After you click on it, tap on the amount and edit the amount according to your preference. After you write it down, tap on Save Changes. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna edit transaction on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.